Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see an error code in the NAB app, it usually means that the app cannot complete a request. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app and swipe it away, completely closing it and then reopen it. Then check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. If not, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then restart your phone to clear system issues. After that, make sure that your both phone software and NAB is fully updated. Go to the App Store, search for the NAB mobile banking app and then update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the bug fixes and the error code problems will be fixed as well. So update it. If the same error code keeps appearing, note it down and contact NAB support as specific error codes often require account side fixes, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.